Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Zen Xbox 2K26 for its first run, plug in power and Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and ensure controller battery is at least 50%. Next, sign into your account and accept system prompts so background updates can start. Once done, open settings to verify firmware and storage space. Free up 50 to 100 GB if needed. These first actionable steps prevent mid-setup interruptions and make the next stages predictable and fast. You now install the game and choose where it lives. Put core titles on the internal SSD or a certified NVMe external drive for best load speeds. While the download runs, optimize settings, toggle performance versus quality, enable or disable ray tracing, and match resolution and refresh rate to your display. Make sure HDR and VRR are calibrated in the console menu. These choices balance visuals and frame rate, so you understand the trade-offs and can fine-tune for smooth gameplay. You finish setup by personalizing controls and enabling accessibility features, then run a quick network latency test to confirm under 40 milliseconds for stable multiplayer. Once satisfied, launch a short session to validate frame pacing and input responsiveness. If you encounter crashes, dropped frames, or downloads stuck, reboot the console, power cycle your router, clear temporary cache, and reinstall the affected game if necessary. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves persistent issues, so you can get.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.